Today we are going to do percentage composition of compounds. Now this percentage composition of a compound is the percentage by weight of each element present in a compound. If I want to find out by numericals, then I can give the formula as percentage is equal to mass of element divided by molecular weight of the compound into 100. So I am giving you an example to show you how to calculate the percentage composition of carbon and oxygen in magnesium carbonate. You will be provided with the atomic weights. Magnesium is equal to 24 and carbon equal to 12 and oxygen equal to 16. This will be provided to you in the sum itself. Only thing, you must know the formula of the compound. In your sum, in your exams, of course, the formulas are also given. But I would presume that you should know the formula by yourself and practice writing the formulas and then calculate the percentage composition. So for first step, I'll do what? First step, I'll find out the molecular weight of magnesium carbonate. That is equal to magnesium is 24 plus carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16 into 3. That is equal to 24 plus 12 plus 48. Okay, so that will be equal to yours 84. So calculate and find out that this will be 84, the molecular weight. So now I ask you to find out the molecular weight of carbon and oxygen. The carbon atomic weight is 12. So now if I want to find out percentage of carbon, that will be equal to mass of the element or atomic weight of the element, that is 12 divided by molecular weight into 100. This is the percentage composition of carbon. Okay, so you will calculate this and you will find that this is coming to around 14.29%. Always try to find out in second place of decimal. That means you will go up to the third place and correct to the second place. Next is oxygen. Percentage of oxygen. Now here one thing arises that there are 3 atoms of oxygen. So the weight of total amount of oxygen will be 3 into 16 divided by the molecular weight of magnesium carbonate into 100. Okay, so you will find out 48 by 84 into 100. If you calculate, you will get 57.14%. And please children, you want to do these calculations, you draw a rough column at the side and show the calculation side by side instead of turning the page and doing at the back of your copy. So this is how, so you will block the answer, percentage of carbon, percentage of oxygen. So this is how you do percentage composition in any element in a given compound.